Hi everyone, welcome back to Nature Guru. Is your phone screen stuck in portrait mode and not rotating? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix auto-rotate issues in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Method 1. Before troubleshooting, keep in mind that some apps like the home screen and settings don't support landscape mode. To test auto-rotate, open apps that does support rotate, like Safari or YouTube. Turn your iPhone sideways. If rotates your auto-rotate is working, fine. Method 2. If the screen still won't rotate, a quick restart might do the trick. On the Face ID models, press and hold power plus volume down until you see slide to power off. On home button models, hold the power button until the pound slider appears. Slide to turn off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now try rotating your screen again. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.